Hi everybody, I am here answering another Ask Diana question that was submitted on my website. So if you want to ask a question, you can go to truetoyoucounseling.com and ask your question. If you want to make it totally anonymous, you can do that. You don't have to attach your name or email or anything to it unless you want to. So check that out if you want to submit your own question. The question that I am answering today is on meeting our own needs. So this was from a woman who said that she was in a relationship and that she was kind of trying to do her own work, but also trying to work through some stuff with her partner. She didn't want me to share kind of her stuff verbatim, but said that I could kind of talk about it in general. So basically she was in a relationship doing her own work and doing work with her partner, and finding that she was identifying things that she really needed and wanted from the relationship, but he wasn't willing to give them to her. So she was asking, like, what do I do in this circumstance? Like, I kind of know what I want and need, but he's not wanting to give it to me. So the first thing that I would want to know is more information on that. So is it that he doesn't want to meet those needs because why, right? So sometimes our partners are also struggling. They're also going through a lot. Maybe they've been hurt in the relationship with us, or maybe they've been hurt in other ways, or maybe they're just struggling with their own stuff and they don't have a lot to give us. So that can be something that could be going on as well. And that is different from just not wanting to try to meet someone's needs or help somebody, right? That's a very different. It also could be that they don't understand kind of what you need or why you need it, or maybe it clashes with them or something. So I would want more information on what was going on and why, and kind of what that looked like. And then I would also want to know, like, what are your needs? Like, this woman kind of said that they were more emotional needs, more like support and that kind of thing. But I would urge both couples, both partners in the couple, to kind of identify, these are my needs, these are my emotional needs, these are my physical needs, like these are the things that I really want and need. And then figure out how you really like those to be met in the relationship, and other ways that they can be met outside the relationship. So there are going to be a lot of times where we can't meet each other's needs for whatever reason. So it's really good to be able to meet our own needs, or have bigger support systems to be able to reach out to get support, to have somebody who can listen to you, to kind of validate you, to give you affirmations, to build you up, to make you feel better, just to be able to vent to. So it's really good to have other outlets, other support systems, whether that's groups or a therapist or friends, writing, classes, courses, anything that we can use to kind of help us cope and get that support. It doesn't always have to be on them. So I think that's a big piece, is getting your needs met and figuring out how to get them met in different ways when your partner can't meet them. I think if it's something that continues on and becomes a problem, like they're just not willing to meet you, they're not willing to try, they're not willing to put in effort, they're not willing to understand, that could be a bigger problem, right? So I would kind of figure out how to work through that and see if you can, maybe going to couples counseling, trying to work through that and see if it can be resolved, and see if you can get some movement there. So look after yourself, take care of yourself, see if you can meet your own needs. Also work on communicating with them and see if you can kind of help them understand how and why you want this from them, and maybe come up with different ways to meet that. And then if it still continues to be a problem, try to work on it, but also understand that it could be that they're just not able to do that, and then you'll have to decide if that's okay for you and that's going to work for you, or if it's not going to work for you. So I hope that was helpful. It was kind of a lot that I put out there on you guys. Again, submit your question if you want me to answer your question, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. All right, I hope you guys have a great day.